Unveiling the excitement. Understanding network premiere. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of television and film. Our focus? The intriguing phrase, network premiere. If you've ever flipped through TV channels or browsed your favorite streaming service, you might have stumbled upon this term. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we decode the mystery and bring the world of entertainment a bit closer to you. So, what exactly is a network premiere? Simply put, it refers to the first time a movie or television show is broadcast on a particular television network. This event is often met with excitement and anticipation, as it marks the moment a wider audience gets to experience content that may have been previously shown in theaters or on a different platform. Networks often promote premieres heavily, highlighting them as special events. Network premieres are not just ordinary broadcasting days. They're special for several reasons. 1. Exclusive content. Often, a network premiere means that the show or movie hasn't been seen on any other network before. 2. High-quality entertainment. Networks usually reserve their premiere slots for high-quality or highly anticipated content. 3. Special features. Sometimes, these premieres come with extra content, like interviews with the cast or behind-the-scenes footage, making them more appealing. The impact of a network premiere is twofold, affecting both viewers and the networks themselves. For viewers, it's a chance to experience fresh and exclusive content, often with added hype and excitement. For networks, premieres are a strategy to attract more viewers, boost ratings, and ultimately increase advertising revenue. They're a testament to a network's ability to offer unique and compelling content. And that, dear viewers, is what network premiere is all about. It's more than just a first-time broadcast. It's an event that celebrates new and exciting content, bringing together eager audiences and ambitious networks. We hope you found this explainer insightful and that your next network premiere experience is even more enjoyable with this knowledge. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.